Hi. Welcome to Legal Learns. Let's start with today's topic. How to file an input tax credit (ITC) claim under GST and the requirements. To file an input tax credit (ITC) claim under GST, a business must follow the following steps. 1. Ensure that the business has met all the eligibility criteria for claiming ITC, as outlined in the previous answer. 2. Verify the GST returns filed by the supplier for the relevant period to ensure that the ITC claimed is valid. 3. Ensure that all invoices, debit notes, and credit notes have been correctly recorded in the books of accounts. 4. File the GST return for the relevant period, including the details of the ITC claimed in the appropriate column. 5. Reconcile the ITC claimed in the GST return with the ITC available in the electronic credit ledger, which can be accessed on the GST portal. 6. Correct any errors or discrepancies in the ITC claimed or available in the electronic credit ledger, and ensure that the ITC claimed matches the ITC available. 7. Submit the GST return, and the ITC claim will be credited to the electronic credit ledger of the business. And also, some of the requirements for claiming ITC under GST are: the ITC claim must be supported by a tax invoice, debit note, or credit note issued by the supplier. The tax invoice, debit note, or credit note must contain certain mandatory details, including the name, address, GSTIN of the supplier and recipient, the date of issue, a description of the goods or services, and the amount of tax. The ITC claim must be made within the time limit prescribed under the GST laws, which is generally the due date for filing the GST return for the relevant period. The ITC claim must be supported by proper documentation, including the tax invoice, debit note, or credit note, and the books of accounts of the business. The ITC claim must be reconciled with the ITC available in the electronic credit ledger, and any discrepancies must be corrected before filing the GST return. It is important for businesses to understand the requirements for claiming ITC under GST and ensure that they comply with the laws and regulations to avoid penalties and interest charges. Thank you for watching. Wishing you a good day.